Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to download the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Whether you're new to WhatsApp or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get started quickly. Let's dive in. First, unlock your Android device and locate the Google Play Store icon. It's usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to open the Play Store. Next, look at the top of the Play Store screen and find the search bar. Tap on the search bar, and a keyboard will appear. Type in WhatsApp and hit the search icon or press enter. Once the search results load, you'll see a list of apps. Look for WhatsApp Messenger, developed by WhatsApp LLC. Double-check that it's the official app to avoid downloading any imitations. When you've found it, tap on it to open its details page. On the WhatsApp Messenger page, you'll see an install button. Tap on it to begin downloading the app. Depending on your internet speed, this process might take a few moments. After the download is complete, the installation will happen automatically. Once it's done, you'll see an open button appear in place of install. You can tap open to launch WhatsApp immediately, or find its icon on your home screen for later use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded WhatsApp Messenger onto your Android device. Now you're ready to set up your account and start connecting with friends and family worldwide. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.